How to connect your bank account to FreshBooks. Now, this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. So if you follow along, by the end of this video, you will be able to add your bank account to FreshBooks. Okay, so to do this, you first of all want to load up FreshBooks right here and sign in to your account. Now, once you have signed in, just click on the settings icon in this top left corner, and that is going to open up this drop-down menu. So from here, click into the option that says Bank Connections, and that is going to take you over to this area. All you need to do from here is click on Connect My Bank. You can connect multiple bank accounts, Let's click Let's Go. And share your account data with FreshBooks using Played. So we want to go through and continue. Allow this. And then choose the bank account that you want to connect. I'm in the UK, so these bank accounts might look a little bit foreign to you, but don't worry, just go through and connect the bank account you would like, and then just follow the instructions that it says. So I'm going for Monzo, and what I need to do is basically scan this QR code. So that's now loaded up, and I can just click continue, and go through this on my phone, and then as you can see, that is now all done. So in a few seconds, this should load through on my computer. There we go. And now success, your account has successfully been linked to FreshBooks. So how far back would you like to import your expenses? And you can choose how long you would like to go for. I will just go for 30 days and click done. And then as you can see, this is now connected. And that is how you can connect your bank account to FreshBooks.